Today I want to teach you a new word, thermogenesis. Thermogenesis is the creation of heat. Heat is made when the food that we eat is metabolized in our bodies. So increasing thermogenesis can actually impact our body's ability to lose weight. Studies have found that those who exercise and follow a healthy diet can enhance muscle building and fat loss by including supplements with 7-Keto. Here at Hum, we have Ripped Rooster, which contains not only 7-Keto, but also chromium and green tea to help ramp up thermogenesis. If you're following a ketogenic diet, this can also be beneficial because 7-Keto helps our bodies utilize fat more efficiently. So now you know, thermogenesis. If you like this video, go ahead, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and make sure you're subscribed for the latest and greatest in nutrition videos.